Dear students, through this video we are going to discuss about another methodology called McKinsey's 7S framework. So this framework is meant for analyzing organizational programs and find a suitable solution. This technique is also applicable for how to manage the change in the organization effectively and efficiently. The 7S framework meant for this 7 concepts that are interrelated each other, like the diagram we have mentioned here. It's like a network. Okay, it is interrelated with each other, that helps to achieve organizational goals by eliminating the problems or issues in the organization. This 7S are structure, system, style, staff, skills and strategy. If all these 7S are properly maintained, the organization can effectively achieve their organizational goals. What is meant by style here? Here the organizational leadership style. There are different types of management you have studied in organizational behavior. Okay, the appropriate styles of management according to the organizational culture and structure, it must be adapted. Okay, the style of leadership decides the effectiveness of an organization and the capacity of the organization to achieve their organizational goals. In staff, so employees are very important factors. The human resource is an important factor of an organization to reach the goal. If that human resource is well knowledgeable and skilled, okay, to keep pace with the changes in the market, that means their updated knowledge and updated skills, then the staffs will give a company an advantage in achieving the organizational objective and also the effective implementation of the strategy. Then what is a strategy? Strategy is a type of plan. The appropriate strategy and the proper formulation and implementation of strategy is very important to achieve the goal. So the appropriate strategy must be formulated and implemented. Okay, and this particular model emphasizes the easy execution, that means implementation and development of the strategy. Okay, it's easy to develop and also easy to execute, because if it is easy, it requires a less amount of resources and there won't be much obstacles in implementing the strategy. Third S is systems. System means procedures and methods framed by the organization that should be followed by employees in the organization in all the part of the organization to achieve the organizational goals and objectives. These are all framed properly. Okay, is communicated to all the employees. They are expected to follow this standardized procedures and methods framed by the organization. Then there won't be any confusion, there won't be any clashes in the responsibilities and authorities. There will be a clarity and transparency in organizational activities. Structure is organization structure. It consists of various positions and activities, okay, and the relationship among the various positions, and it details about the communication channels. So appropriate organizational structure must be implemented, okay, according to the demands of the present business scenario, that keep the organization always ready to accommodate the changes. so that it can perform effectively to compete with the competitors and achieve the organizational goals. Skills, okay, acquainted with the state of the art technology and improvised methods and practices. So skill set of an employee in the organizations very important. With updated technology or changes in the technology, methods of production, okay, various practices in various functional areas, the updated skill set of employees are very essential. Okay, so these 7 A's are taken care of, then the company will be in a better position to implement effective strategies to achieve the organizational goals.